Dear children, now let's see the chapter 3 grammar book nouns. Last video's continuation. Okay. Common noun. Common noun can be either singular or plural. Okay. You know that singular or plural. Singular means it means one thing. Plural means more than one. Okay. So here also the same. A singular noun refers to one person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Singular noun means it refers to one thing only, one person, place, animal or thing. A plural noun refers to more than one person, that is two or more persons. More than one person, place, animal or thing. How plural are formed? First type. Most singular nouns are made plurals by adding s at the end. Okay. See the example. Letter. See, this is singular. Okay. See, now add s. Letters. This is plural. Then cat. Cat is a singular. Then add s. Cats at the end. Okay. Dog. Singular. Add s. Dogs. This is plural. Then second type. Singular nouns ending with s, ch, sh or x become plural by adding es. Suppose the noun, singular noun ending with, see the last two letters, it's ending with s, ch, sh or x. Like that means you should add es. Okay, es to the singular noun. See here, class, it is end with s, so add es, classes. Then bush, it's end with sh, so add es, bushes. Then bench, see here, it ends with ch, so add es, benches. Then fox, it's end with x, so add ex, foxes. Third one. Most nouns ending in o also form plural by adding es. Okay. Suppose the nouns ending with o. See, buffalo, it ends with o. So here also you should add es. Buffaloes. Then hero, end with o. So add es. Heroes. Then mango, end with o, so add es, mangoes. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Then nouns ending in y form plural by changing y into ies. Suppose the noun ending with y. Okay, we should change that y. Instead of that y, should add ies. Okay. See the example. Lady. So it ends with y. So cut that y and add ies. Instead of y, you should add ies. So it's ladies. Then story. It's end with y. Story y. So cut that y. Instead of y, add ies. So stories. Then see baby, end with y. Cut that y. Instead of that one, add ies. So it's babies. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Then many nouns ending in f or fe form plural by changing f or fe into ves. Okay. Suppose the nouns ending with f or fe means you should change that one by ves. See the example. Wolf. So last one is what? F. So cut that F. Instead of that F, add ves. That is wolves. Then wife. Cut that E. It end with E. Cut that E. Then add ves. So wives. Then knife. See, it's end with E. Cut that E and add ves. Knives. Okay. Then sixth. Next type. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. Inside, middle one. See the example. Man. So change that letter A, middle letter. See, middle letter is A. So you change that one as E. So it's what? Men. Okay, men. Then see second one, woman. A. So change that A into E, woman. Then tooth. O. Change that O into E, teeth. Okay, like that. Foot. O means you change it into E, feet. Then next, seventh type. Some nouns have only the plural form. Scissors, spectaculars, trousers, thanks. These are only plural forms. Then some nouns in the plural form are always used as singular only. Okay, it's in plural, but we use this one as singular. See the example. Physics, mathematics, mechanics, politics. So we use this as singular only. Then singular and plural forms of some more nouns. Okay, deer only. Sheep, both, no change in singular and plural, both are same only. Ox, action. Then child, children, plural form taken en. Okay, cattle, people. These are the collective nouns. Okay, now let us see the third one. What is collective noun? Third type, collective noun. Collective noun is the name given to the group of people or objects or animals or things. Okay, collective noun means it's a group of, not a singular double or like that. It's a group of people, objects or animals or things. See the example. Crowd means what? It means a group of people. Okay, bunch means what? Bunch of flowers. So it's a group of flowers. Then committee what? Committee means what? Group of people are there, no? That one. So it collective noun means what? It means group of people, group of things or group of animals. Then the last type, fourth one is abstract noun. Abstract noun means is usually the name of a quality, action or state. Such names can be understood but see them or feel them. Okay, abstract noun means usually it's name a quality of one thing or action of that one or state. That means we can neither see them nor feel them. Okay, we can neither see them nor feel them. See the example. Laughter means same. Then goodness, wisdom. These are the abstract nouns. Okay, thank you children.